Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Why am I so decked up today? That's because I have to go for a wedding, and 2 days ago, yeah, I guess 3 days ago, I did my facial by using this Roop Mantra Diamond Facial Kit. I have to bend it. This tripod is a little small. Okay, so this thing. I would always advise you to do your facial 2 to 3 days before any important event because a normal facial, it takes around 2 to 3 to 4 days to show the results. Your skin starts glowing, and this is a gradual process. This doesn't happen instantly. Like, you cannot see the effect of facial just after doing a facial. It takes a little time. So like, and within these 2 3 days, try to avoid sunlight, or even if you have to go, if it's urgent, you apply lots of sunscreen. Okay, so getting on to this product, this is the Roop Mantra Diamond Facial Kit. So this retails for 398 rupees, and we all know a diamond facial kit at a local salon or at a hi-fi salon costs a lot. So this is way cheaper, and the contents of this can be used 2 to 3 times. So this is very economical. And this kit is very beneficial for people, for women or for men who have to attend a wedding. This can be applied by men also. Like, facial kits are for men as well. And this has diamond ash, which actually helps in softening your skin and making your skin radiant, and also this helps in removing impurities. So this has 5 steps, and then the 5 steps are cleansing milk, scrub, a gel, face pack, and cream. These are the 5 steps. You have to do this step by step. I did this 2 to 3 days ago. So these are the 5 steps mentioned very clearly. You're not gonna mess up. So the first step is the cleansing milk, and this has neem and mulethi, and this actually helps in mulethi helps in making your skin fair, and neem has antibacterial properties, as we all know. The second step, scrub, and this has walnut and almond oil and tulsi extracts. So this is also very good for skin. Walnut exfoliates your skin very gently, and it removes all the blackheads and everything, or on chin or nose if you have blackheads. This will remove it. This is the third step, and this is the massage gel, and this is blue in color, and this smells amazing. I don't have words to express the fragrance of these things because the fragrance is extraordinarily good. This is the fourth step, and this is the face pack, and this has multani mitti and olive oil. So this will help to soften up your skin as winters are here and your skin gets a little dry. So this will not make your skin dry. This is the fifth and last step, and this is a nourishing cream. Always, finish the entire process by using a cream, and this cream has neem, olive oil, and almond oil, and this cream is also a little blue in color. The comments, very beautiful fragrance. Okay, So I did these steps, and my skin felt extremely good. I would ask you to try this facial kit, as wedding season is here. Though weddings cannot be that lavish, and also half of the face is covered with a mask, but still you have to glow, right? Glowing is a must. So for this glow, I think you can buy this facial kit, and your skin will glow and your skin will look very good. I'll put the link in the description box just in case you want to purchase this. It will be easier for you to find it. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.